Hello. Today we are going to learn new course which is Linux. First module of this course is Linux. In module 1 we have these topics: the history of Linux and open source software, Linux distributions and package managers, basic Linux commands and file system structure. The history of Linux and open source software can be traced back to the 1960s and 1972, when computer science researchers started sharing software and source code with each other. This collaborative approach led to the development of the Unix operating system, which became popular in academic and research circles in the 1980s. In 1991, a Finnish computer science student named Linus Torvalds began working on a new operating system that he called Linux. Torvalds made the source code freely available to anyone who wanted to use or modify it, and a community of developers grew up around the project. Linux quickly gained popularity as an alternative to commercial operating systems like Microsoft Windows and Unix. The open source movement gained momentum in the late 1990s and early 2000s, as more and more developers began contributing to open source projects, and companies like IBM, Red Hat, and Oracle began to embrace open source software. Today, open source software is used in a wide variety of applications, from web servers and databases to desktop and mobile operating systems. One of the key benefits of open source software is that it is freely available and can be modified and redistributed by anyone. This has led to the development of a large and active community of developers who work together to improve and refine open source software. Many businesses and organizations also use open source software because it is often more cost-effective and customizable than commercial software. Overall, the history of Linux and open source software is a story of collaboration, innovation, and the power community-driven development. Linux distributions are variations of the Linux operating system that are customized to meet the needs of different users and organizations. Each Linux distribution consists of a kernel, the core of the operating system, system utilities, and a variety of applications. There are many different Linux distributions available, each with its own set of features and package management system. Some popular Linux distributions include Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, CentOS, and Arch Linux. Package management is an important aspect of Linux distributions, as it enables users to install, remove, and update software packages easily. Each Linux distribution has its own package management system, which provides a way to download, install, and manage software packages. Some popular package management systems for Linux distributions include 1. apt Advanced Package Tool, used by Debian, Ubuntu, and other Debian-based distributions. 2. RPM Red Hat Package Manager, used by Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Fedora, and other RPM-based distributions. 3. Pacman, used by Arch Linux and its derivatives. 4. Yum Yellow Dog Updater Modified, used by Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, and other RPM-based distributions. 5. Portage, used by Gentoo Linux and its derivatives. Package management systems enable users to easily install, update, and remove software packages, ensuring that their system stays up to date and secure. Additionally, package management systems simplify software installation by resolving dependencies and managing conflicts between packages. Linux is a command-line operating system that provides users with a powerful set of command-line utilities to manage their files and system. Here are some basic Linux commands and file system structure. 1. ls lists the files and directories in the current directory. 2. cd changes the current directory to the specified directory. 3. mcdir creates a new directory. 4. touch creates an empty file or updates the timestamp of an existing file. 5. cp copies files or directories. 6. mov moves or renames files or directories. 7. arm removes files or directories. 8. cat displays the contents of a file. 9. grep searches for a pattern in a file. 10. Chmod changes the permissions of a file or directory. 11. Sudo runs a command with administrative privileges. The Linux file system follows a hierarchical tree structure that starts from the root directory. Some important directories in the Linux file system include 1. Bin contains essential binary files and commands that are required for the system to boot and function properly. 2. Spin contains system binaries that are used by the root user for system administration tasks. 3. Usr contains user programs and applications. 4. Etc. contains system configuration files. 5. Var contains variable data files, such as log files and temporary files. 6. Home contains user home directories. 7. Temp contains temporary files. 8. Dev contains device files that represent hardware devices. Overall, the Linux file system structure and command line utilities provide users with a powerful and flexible set of tools for managing their files and system. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.